Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for New York time. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Go ahead and open your NYT Games application. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the profile picture at the top right hand corner. Now from the settings page, tap on create account. In order to sign up, you can sign up for an NYT Games account by entering an email or with one of their social networking sites at the bottom. In my case, I'm going to choose the email option. Go ahead and enter a valid email address in the first text box and tap on continue. On the next page, you'll need to now create a password. Create a secure password for your account and tap on create account. On the next page, you will now need to subscribe to NYT Games to enjoy the full experience. You can also continue without subscribing, but you will be able to get access to limited services. Soon after you complete through your subscription, or if you continue without subscribing, you will be able to create a new NYT account and you will also be logged in. So that is how you can easily sign up and create a new account for NYT Games. You can now go ahead and enjoy the most popular NYT games such as Spelling Bee, Wordle, Tiles, and much more. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.